Imagine a video game, but not just any game. This game builds itself. As you journey through it, the world reacts to your choices. It evolves around you. This is not science fiction. This is the future of gaming, powered by artificial intelligence. The year is 2025. The lines between reality and the virtual world are blurring. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, reshaping industries and our lives. And nowhere is its impact more profound than in the world of video games. Gone are the days of static, pre-scripted environments and predictable non-player characters. AI is breathing life into these digital realms. It's creating dynamic, ever-changing worlds that feel truly alive. Welcome to the dawn of a new gaming era, one where the only limit is the imagination of the algorithms themselves. One of the most remarkable advancements in AI-powered gaming is procedural content generation. Imagine vast, intricate landscapes, not painstakingly crafted by human hands, but birthed by algorithms. These digital realms are not just visually stunning, but also endlessly diverse, offering players unique experiences every time they play. This is the power of AI architects like Google DeepMind and their groundbreaking work with generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These networks are revolutionizing the way we think about game design and content creation. GANs are AI systems that learn from massive data sets of images, sounds, and code. By analyzing this data, they can understand complex patterns and structures, enabling them to create new, original content that feels both familiar and innovative. They can then generate new, original content that mimics the style and complexity of their training data. This means that the AI can produce artwork, music, and even entire game levels that are indistinguishable from those created by human artists. In gaming, this translates to AI that can conjure up breathtaking landscapes, intricate dungeons, and even entire planets, all with minimal human input. The possibilities are virtually limitless, allowing for a level of creativity and scale that was previously unimaginable. This technology is already being used by game developers to create expansive, procedurally generated worlds in games like No Man's Sky and Minecraft. These games offer players a sense of exploration and discovery that is unparalleled, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential applications of AI in gaming are vast and varied, extending far beyond what we can currently imagine. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more ambitious and immersive game worlds in the years to come. The future of gaming is bright, and AI is at the forefront of this exciting evolution. Imagine stepping into a bustling city in a video game. The NPCs aren't just going through pre-programmed routines. They are living, breathing individuals, each with their own unique personality, motivations, and even emotions. This is the promise of AI-powered NPC behavior. Companies like Microsoft are at the forefront of this revolution. Their AI research teams have developed sophisticated machine learning algorithms that allow NPCs to learn from their interactions with players and with each other. These AI-powered NPCs can adapt to changing circumstances, make decisions based on their own goals and beliefs, and even exhibit complex social behaviors. This means no more repetitive dialogue or predictable quest givers. NPCs can now surprise players with their actions and reactions, leading to truly emergent gameplay experiences. The content conduit, AI as a game developer's best friend. Beyond generating game worlds and breathing life into characters, AI is also revolutionizing the game development process itself. AI-powered tools are now being used to automate tedious tasks, streamline workflows, and even assist with game design. One area where AI is making a significant impact is in game testing. Traditionally, game testing has been a time-consuming and labor-intensive process, requiring human testers to play through countless hours of gameplay to identify bugs and balance issues. But now, AI-powered testing bots can be deployed to play games at superhuman speeds, identifying problems and gathering data far more efficiently than humans. This allows developers to focus on the creative aspects of game design, while AI takes care of the technical heavy lifting. A tailored gaming symphony, the beauty of personalized play. One of the most exciting prospects of AI in gaming is the potential for truly personalized gameplay experiences. Imagine a game that adapts to your individual playstyle, learning your strengths and weaknesses, and adjusting the difficulty and challenges accordingly. This is the power of AI-driven personalization. By analyzing your in-game actions, preferences, and even emotional responses, AI algorithms can tailor the gameplay experience to your liking. If you're a hardcore gamer who enjoys a challenge, the AI can ramp up the difficulty and throw tougher enemies your way. If you prefer a more relaxed and exploratory experience, the AI can create a less demanding and more narrative-driven adventure. This level of personalization has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about video games, transforming them from passive entertainment into truly interactive and adaptive experiences. Facing the shadows. Navigating the ethical labyrinth of AI. As with any transformative technology, the rise of AI in gaming is not without its challenges and ethical considerations. The integration of AI into gaming has opened up a world of possibilities, but it also brings forth a myriad of ethical questions that need to be addressed. One concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI continues to evolve, it could take over roles traditionally held by humans, leading to significant changes in the job market. As AI-powered tools become more sophisticated, they could automate many of the tasks currently performed by human game developers, leading to fears of job losses in the industry. This automation could streamline processes, but at what cost to human employment? Another concern is the issue of AI creativity and authorship. The ability of AI to generate original content raises questions about the nature of creativity itself. If AI algorithms are capable of generating original game content, who owns the copyright to that content? This question is not just legal, but also philosophical. The developers who created the AI, or perhaps the company that owns the AI, the players who interact with it? Each stakeholder has a valid claim, making it a complex issue to resolve. These are complex questions that will need to be addressed as AI continues to play a larger role in the creative industries. The debate is ongoing and multifaceted. It's crucial for the gaming industry to have open and honest conversations about these ethical dilemmas. Only through dialogue can we hope to find balanced solutions. We must ensure that the development and deployment of AI in gaming are done responsibly and ethically. This is not just a technological challenge, but a moral imperative. The next level is here, embracing the AI revolution in gaming. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of AI in gaming are too great to ignore. Game developers are harnessing the power of AI to create more dynamic and responsive gaming environments, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. AI has the power to usher in a new golden age of video games, one filled with immersive worlds, intelligent characters, and truly personalized experiences. Imagine a game that adapts to your playstyle, offering challenges and rewards tailored just for you. The gaming market is already reflecting this excitement. From indie developers to major studios, everyone is exploring how AI can transform their games. According to industry reports, the global AI and gaming market is expected to reach billions of dollars in the coming years. This surge is driven by the relentless pursuit of innovation and the desire to create the ultimate gaming experience. This growth is fueled by the increasing demand for more realistic and engaging gaming experiences, and by the realization that AI is the key to unlocking this next level of immersion. Gamers are no longer satisfied with static, predictable worlds. The future of gaming is here, and it's powered by AI. With AI, games can evolve in real time, offering endless possibilities and keeping players engaged like never before. It's a future where the lines between reality and virtuality continue to blur, where games become more than just entertainment, and where the only limit is the boundless potential of human and artificial imagination combined. The possibilities are truly endless. The next level is here. Let's play. The revolution has begun, and it's time to embrace the future of gaming.